Welcome to TLDR of LLM tools in Valohai. So shortly, what is this? Why you want to use it and how to use it? So we realize that teams often struggle to evaluate multiple LLMs and compare them properly. So there is no issue for you to run an API call, get the result. Okay, then you can generate some metrics out of the replies that you're getting, but how do you choose which model performs better, which one performs worse? It can be a bit complex in this case. So let me jump directly to llm.valohai.com. Here, it welcomes you in your workspace, and you need to perform 3 simple steps to evaluate your models. So first, you would need to upload the dataset. You can just pull it from your local computer. We support JSONL format or CSV. I have 2 datasets uploaded over here. Then you would need to create a task. So you provide a task name, and then you can add some parameters over here. So as you can see in my latest task that I created, I have the only parameter set, which is a model. So I want to evaluate these 3 models with LLMs.valohai.com. So I provide the names of the models, and then I would parse them in my script. And then going to the setup, once the task is created, you would need to go to your local computer, to a terminal, pip install one single library, which is Valohai LLM, set your API token, export it locally in your terminal, and then run or create a simple evaluation function that returns a dictionary of the metrics that you want to log to the platform. And then once you're ready with that, you can run the task. After running this locally in your CLI, you will see the results here in the platform. And here you can see how Valohai provides me the overview, how each of the models performed on each of the tickets that I provided in my dataset. And then the results of the metrics over here. It's a bit hard to read, but lucky you can group them nicely per task. So now I'm filtering only the last task that I run, and then I can group them by a model and then have some better understanding how in average each of the model performed with each of my metrics. Then I can also add requires reasoning tag over here. So the more complex tickets had this tag, and I want to check how the models were performing with that tag as well. Once you get some understanding here, you can move on and compare in the graphs in this section. So I can just add an extra section and let's say compare per model how they were performing for me over here. And you get these automatically built graphs to get a better understanding and to compare your LLM models. So from here, with a couple of clicks, with one single function, you can already have some understanding how your LLMs are performing with your exact evaluation dataset. Super simple to use. Moving on, you can also version your datasets within app.valohai.com. It will automatically be visible and saved for you over there. So if you're a current Valohai user, you can use the dataset in this platform, or if you will be moving to use app.valohai.com as a full-on MLOps platform, you can also utilize those there. That's it from my side today.